Hello, everyone. Welcome to today's episode. Today is Friday, marks the last trading day of the week. So, before we go to the charts, let's check fundamentals. And looking at today, we have building permits at 12:30 Ghana time. And looking at the market chart, fundamentals, we are expecting negative news at 12:30. It's actually a medium impact news. Okay. And 2 p.m. consumer sentiments, and we are expecting positive news. Inflation expectation. There is no forecast. Right. So these are the fundamentals we have. Let's go back to the charts. And first of all, daily time frame. Okay. So if you come to daily, this is it. And yesterday was crazy and massive move within some shortest time. Within 30 minutes, gold dropped 350 pips. That was massive. So he pushed all the way from 2470 and came all the way to 2432 and went to close at 2456. All right. So what is likely to happen today? And if you look at where it still closed below this. Okay, it closed below this, meaning this market can still drop or can still push up. I would be more confident to say it will push up if it had closed above 2460. But because it didn't close above 2460, there is a potential sell, there is a potential buy. All right. So what we need to do is to be vigilant, careful, and watchful. All right. If we want to make money today, this is what we have to do. Vigilant, watchful, and careful. All right. So let's go to H4 and look at what is happening in H4. When you come to H4, you can see for sure that after the market went all the way to the downside, it still got rejected because there was a demand zone which got activated. H4 demand, this level right here, right, which got activated and it flew. And now, if you look here, you can see that when the market got to the retest level, it has still been, it is still not able to break. And look at the number of hours it has been giving wicks. All right, it has been giving wicks at this level for a long time. So potentially, this market can still drop, but it will be valid if it will be invalid. The sell will be invalid if H4 candle closes above 2460. Okay, 2460. If H4 candle closes above 2460, then the market will fly all the way to 2473. But if the market comes back to 2473, it will be difficult for me to sell because yesterday the market was supposed to tap that level, but it got rejected on the way according to H4. So now to me, this is a liquidity because we have this level right here which need to tap. So if the market breaks the break and retest level when it is buying, it can push all the way to 23, 24, 83, 84, 85 before it can drop. All right. So it will be difficult for me to sell from here unless I see strong rejections, that is where I will sell. All right. So what am I going to trade today if I'm not interested in this level? Where am I interested in? Let's find out. But let's go to H1. All right. So if you look at H1, this is what we have. Now this is my H4, H1 buy zone. And this is the first touch after the market went all the way up. This is the first touch. This is the second touch. So a third touch is expected. Okay. And also down here yesterday, those of you who attended the live session, I gave you a trend line right here. All right. Of which we are expecting a third touch. We're expecting a third touch on this trend line. So we will wait and see what is going to happen today. All right. Yeah. So all we need to do is to exercise patience. Right now, this zone is still valid. Okay. This zone is still valid. And this one, like I said, it is very difficult for me to buy, sell from here, but it's still a zone. Okay. So all we need to do is to exercise patience and wait and see what is going to happen in the market today. So when the market gets to any of these zones, we will look at what is going to happen there before we can take any action. All right. Before we can take any action, we will have to wait and see what is going to happen before we can do anything else. So you can see that this level has been respecting the market. Now, 30 minutes has also formed this support, which needs to be broken to the downside, or which needs to be respected, and the market breaks this level and keeps flying. So by New York session or London, New York, we are going to see whether this is going to break to the downside or this is going to break to the upside for a continuation push or a continuation push to the downside or the upside. All we need is patience and watch and see to the end of this trade today. And remember, today is Friday, and when it's Friday, a lot of manipulations because a lot of people are cashing out for weekend. All right. So just be careful so you don't throw your money. All the profit you made throughout the week, you will just trade them to the market in just a few seconds. Do not do that. All right. So we wait and see what is going to happen. This is Pip Hunter here, and the Pip must pay. If you like the video, make sure to subscribe to the YouTube channel, comment, like, and share the video as well. Make sure to manage your risk very well because you have no idea of which trade hitting your TP and which trade hitting your stop loss. It is only risk management which can keep you active in the game for the long run. Until then, I will see you in the next video and have a nice day.